everybody, and welcome back to the Monster Madness YouTube channel where we talk all things spooky. Today we are going to be unboxing the Wacky Mole Clown, so let's get into it. Okay, now I start because first we got some pool noodles, got the instructions, the power supply, which is once again out of its box for some reason, got the shoes, got the costume, got the hand with the hammer, got the head, got the other hand, some of the arm pieces, we got the mechanism, and then we got a base with the light poles. So let's build him. Alright, so now we're going to give you a demo.
Step right up, boys and girls. Who's next to get walloped by my hammer? I'll be the first on your block to say, Wacky Mole, club me over the head. I just love hitting you bozos with my hammer. You better watch out, or I'm gonna whop you over the head too. Oh, please, come a little closer. Yeah. Darn Halloween costumes make me crazy. They make me wanna hollow things with my hammer. Yes. I think I'm going crazy again.
The speaker inside is really great as well, and I really like this guy, but he has one more unique feature that a lot of animatronics don't have that I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, he's actually blacklight reactive as well. So I'll show you him on with the black lights on.
Next to get walloped by my hammer. Let me the first on your block to say, Wacky Mole, club me over the head. I think I'm going crazy again.
So as you can see, Wacky Mole is a really great prop. I really like him. I've wanted him for a long time, ever since they first released him, but they actually discontinued him and they brought him back last year, so I'm really grateful for that I was able to get a chance to snag him. And yeah, I really like him, and I like that he's blacklight reactive, and he's got the swirls in his eyes and stuff like that, and just a really cool prop to add to my collection. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the post notification bell so you never miss a new video, and until next Saturday, stay spooky.